Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. Here I am with a game for our book Maranga Mai, and I thought that children who love Maranga Mai might be able to play a bingo game. So what we've got is some cards. These are the cards that we've got for our subscription site, which you can find out more about on the link that we've got here. And so we've made them with quite a few different cards with 6 of the animals. So some of these animals are from Maranga Mai and some of them are other ones you can find out about. And we've got a little container here, a kete with the cards in. So if I'm the caller, just like every bingo game, I'm calling out kuri, and depending on the age of the children, you might just say kuri, or you might say dog, or you might show them the picture, and then the children will have counters, any kind of counters you like, and they would put that on there. And you might get them to fill up the whole of the 6. If I say the next one, see that person's got that one, the next one is tame hei hei, so that's the rooster. None of these people have got that one, so they won't put that on there. And then we've got puru, and this person would put a counter there. And so if they're very young children, you might get them to just get 3 in a row, or if they're a little bit older, they could fill all the 6. So I thought that might be a nice game for you to play with children, help them to learn the vocabulary in Maranga Mai. Ka kite.